The outdoor grill is a device that cooks food by applying heat from below. There are several varieties of grills, with most falling into one of two categories, either gas-fueled or charcoal. So if you're looking for a suitable product, then these are some of the best products available on the market right now. The Char Griller Tabletop Grill and Side Fire Box 2-2424 is a charcoal grill or side smoker. It is interchangeable from a grill to a smoker, but once changed, it cannot go back to a grill. It offers a primary cooking surface of 250 square inches, and the grates are made of cast iron. It features a sliding drawer for easy access to coals and ashes. Also, it comes with an ash pan that dumps easily. The heavy-duty steel construction is sturdy and allows for outdoor severe handling. It is equipped with an easy-to-dump ash pan for quick and convenient cleaning. Besides, there are features on this portable grill that allow the wooden handle to stay cool to the touch for enhanced safety while cooking. You can use this device as a tabletop grill or even as a horizontal Texas-style smoker. The Weber 1211001 Jumbo Joe Charcoal Grill has a larger cooking surface than any other Weber portable charcoal grill. So grilling for a large group of road trippers or tailgating with a crowd is easy. It features 240 square inches of cooking area and a 15 burger capacity and can be used for a group of almost any size. It has a plated steel cooking grate and a porcelain enameled bowl and lid. Also, it comes with rust-resistant aluminum dampers and rust-resistant aluminum ash catcher, and is durable and can be used in many conditions. Besides, it has a glass-reinforced nylon handle and a tuck-and-carry lid lock that allows for carrying and doubles as a lid holder. The Cook Air EP-3620BK wood-fired portable grill is the most powerful portable grill on the market. It can reach a temperature of 1100 degrees in less than 5 minutes. Also, its unique blower system brings oxygen to the combustion chamber, which pushes the heat to the cooking surface, creating the turbo effect. Besides, the 14-inch grid can house up to 3 large porterhouse steaks or a frying pan. Just start the fire with Cook Air fire paper or a crumpled piece of any paper, add wood, and you're ready to cook. You can control the temperature with a 5-speed level fan. The Char-Broiled Portable Tabletop features chrome-plated steel wire cooking grates and folds up compactly with easy setup for on-the-go, anywhere grilling. It offers a 190 square inch cooking surface over chrome-plated steel wire cooking grates. It features an easy-to-clean chrome-plated cooking grid. Also, it comes with heat-resistant handles and a convenient lid hanging hook, and it provides both safety and ease of use. Besides, it weighs just 10 pounds and has folding legs, so it's conveniently portable. The quality steel construction and durable finish make it a lasting addition to your outdoor cooking gear. The Cuisinart CGG-180T portable gas grill comes with 145 square inch grilling area and fold-away legs. It provides powerful 5500 BTU stainless steel burner and even heating porcelain enameled grate. The compact size keeps the heat near the cooking surface, making it more energy efficient than large grills. It's small in size but cooks as well as a full-size grill and is fueled by propane. Also, it features a twist start ignition for natural lighting, and the compact size fits neatly into small spaces so it can travel anywhere. Besides, it cooks 8 burgers, 8 steaks, 6 to 10 chicken breasts, or 4 pounds of fish. It's easy to clean and features a removable grate that's dishwasher safe. The Napoleon Travel Q TQ285 portable gas grill has set a new standard in portable grilling excellence. It boasts 285 square inches of total grilling area, and you can grill up to 18 large hamburgers at once. It offers 2 individually controlled burners that provide up to 12,000 BTUs of flame power. Also, the handles feature a lock for traveling and storage, keeping the lid closed tight and the legs folded in and out in a snap, providing compact storage and a perfect perch when in use. They offer a durable, non-stick surface and even heating for grilling the perfect meal. You can also swap out the cooking grids for a cast iron griddle instead. The Solaire Anywhere Portable Infrared Grill is made from commercial quality stainless steel, has stainless steel with honeycomb ceramic infrared burner beneath 155 square inches of grilling area, and it lights with a push-button rapid spark electronic igniter. It has the same push-button ignition as the built-in and freestanding grills. The infrared burners provide very even heat distribution across the grill, reducing the hot and cold spots often found on traditional gas or charcoal grills. Also, the innovative shape designed to enhance flavor, and the drippings from the food instantly incinerate when it hits the burner, returning to the menu as flavor-enhancing smoke. Besides, the V-shaped grates also reduce flare-ups. Holding the first place among the best portable grills, we have the Weber Q2200. It comes with 280 square inches of cooking space and allows the entire family to enjoy a meal. It has a thermometer in the lid and 2 sturdy fold-out side tables with the first electronic ignition. Also, the grill has 12,000 BTUs along with the porcelain enamel cast iron grates that give you the ideal cooking experience. It's perfect for use when camping and tailgating, and thanks to a design that offers both compact overall size and large grilling surface, can double as a stationary grill in your outdoor living space. Besides, it provides a seamless stainless steel burner, which is your assurance of durability and long-lasting performance. The cast aluminum lid and body are both lightweight and rugged. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to get instant notifications.